Welcome back to Unique's Garden, y'all. This is going to be an indoor garden tour done on January 11th, 2026, before I went on a week-long work trip. I hope things still look okay when I get back, but I know they will. My boyfriend's going to take care of them while I'm gone. Okay, so right here we have my Jimmy Gnardelicious peppers. Hopefully by the time I get back, we'll actually have some flowers growing or maybe even some peppers, because you see I have buds coming in. But those are going to be delicious. Here we have tender green cucumber. This is not one that probably should have been grown in hydroponics. I just wanted to see what would happen. It does have a little cucumber coming in right there. So here's the strawberries that I've been growing from a runner that I took from outside. It seems to be doing good. I have my Shiogia, whatever beets. Those seem to still be growing good. I have red robin, dwarf tomato is putting out tomatoes. So that's nice. And I'm going to give it a little tickle right here, because that's what I do to help it self-pollinate. Here I have the golden Marconi peppers. There's two in here. I just couldn't let the small one go. I don't know, I probably should let it go just so the other one has more room, since it's only in a 6-inch pot. But it looks like it's getting some buds in, so I might be able to try those soon. Right here I have another golden Marconi. It's a little stunted because it didn't have good light, but now I put it next to this new hydroponic system. It's getting a lot. So I also planted some quick snack cucumbers. I have a dwarf petunia growing in my new hydroponics. I have orange lesia peppers growing in there. Let's see, a velvet night dwarf tomato, and then here's another dwarf tomato one, but I don't remember what it is. It has a label on it. I'll be able to see it when I get home. I have the mandarina lemon balm. Excited about that one. Here's the roselle I started. I guess it's doing good. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. This is lemon basil here. Another dwarf tomato, Venus micro dwarf. That's what that one is. In the back I have some peppermint, which I've never actually got to sprout that fast, so that was cool. I have some dwarf lemon cilantro. I love me some cilantro. And then a Paul something micro dwarf tomato. So those are all going to be part of my hashtag WIG 2025 growing, and it's in my new Suncoast system. Orange hat, micro dwarf tomato. So that's what that other one was up top in the Suncoast. I couldn't remember what it was. This here is a yellow Cherokee wax bean. I'm just growing these to get more seeds. Let's see. It's also a couple tatsoi in there. More golden grand Marconi peppers that are growing. I think that one has a couple buds on it too, so maybe I'll see some on that one. There's some cinnamon basil in here with that orange hat tomato there. Down on the bottom, I have some peppers. I don't know which ones they are. They're either golden Marconi or Jimmy Gnardelicious. Then I have 2 Bait Alpha cucumber plants. That one don't look too good, but the one in the back is reaching for the sky. I hope we don't pull these lights down, wrapping these little tendrils around there like that. I guess I'll see when I get home what it looks like. These down here are part of the hashtag WIG 2025. Over here, I have a Tiny Tim tomato. I did have mung beans in there with it, but I cut all those down because I don't want mung beans growing right now. And in the back, there are those dwarf cherry trees. They're not doing nothing right now. So that's all I have over here in this area by my office. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a sweet potato growing in some soil over there on top of one of my hydroponics. Also my shishito pepper. So on this side, I have the Minnesota midget cantaloupes growing. They seem to be doing better. Their color is better than it was. I have some purple broccoli, some lettuce blends there. My bush sugar baby watermelon seems to be doing okay. I hope to see some growth on it when I get home. Coming over here, here's my avocado plant. He's doing great. That's the one I planted last March. Has plenty of new growth. And in the back here is, I had tomatoes there. I pulled those up. I didn't like them. But then there's a pick-a-bushel cucumber plant. That one seems to be doing pretty good. I guess we'll see. I think I saw one cucumber on there before I left. As you can tell, I'm recording this while I'm away. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover rather than my usual one. I love the little tendrils reaching out for stuff. I still have the carrots in there. Over here is where I have my dwarf moringa. I guess that's what they're supposed to look like, but they seem okay. That's also part of the wig challenge that I have going. I put 2 in, both came up. Over here is my calamondin that I potted up in one of those videos. It's getting new growth, so that's pretty cool. I guess it's making up for its buddy. That one's named Beverly. The one next to it is named Belinda. Belinda is not doing as good. So she's over here looking like Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. I don't know if it was a transplant shock or what. Here we have my cracky okra plants and golden Marconi. So this one is a Gold Coast okra. I took out the other one that was in there. He's in there by himself now. And this one is golden Marconis. There's 2 plants in there. We'll see how it does. And then in the back there, growing in some cracky for the wig challenge is some red okra. Now I got some corn to finally sprout. These are bronze, dwarf corn, something like that. Most of them came up. Put them in this stackable planter to see if I can get them to pollinate in a circle like that. But there is one random white one. I don't think it's the same type, but we'll see. And I got those seeds from Miss T's member giveaway. So yeah, these 2 are part of the hashtag WIG 2025 challenge. Okay, so back over here in this corner, I have some beets growing. I don't know which kind that is because I moved it and I don't know what the label is. But here goes some onions that I got. I don't know how they're going to look when I get home, but I hope they're still bulbing because they started bulbing in there like that. And they're early Texas granos. Then I have some Chioggia beets in the back there. Those seem to be doing really good. The rest of the beets didn't make it that I had in there, and neither did the radishes. Back in this little bitty pot, everything wants to grow in this one pot. There's a beta alpha cucumber, there's tatsoi, there's a Cherokee wax bean back there. There's beets in there growing with it. I don't know what is happening. I don't know why everything wanted to grow in this itty bitty little 6-inch pot, but everything's growing in it. So I'm gonna let them keep going. There's one of the beta alpha cucumbers. You see that sucker? He got a couple of cucumbers coming in on there. I hope he's still making it when I get home though. So he's like going all around all these different hydroponic systems. He's actually in soil. And he's just reaching, trying to grab whatever he can find. So I put a whole bunch of those little sticks in the hydroponics, and I'm just letting him grab it and wrap around as much as he wants. But down here I have some romaine and salad blend. And I think it is another Jimmy Nardello in there. Then there's my other cracky bait alpha cucumber plant, the one that I've been showing you when I refill the water, what it looks like. Then I have a sweet potato here in some water, and it has a couple little roots sticking out, so that's cool. We'll see what it looks like in a week when I get back home. Yeah, I'm really over here turning this sweet potato like y'all can see the actual roots. Man, my camera skills are trash. Okay, that's better. Yeah, so there's some roots there. I'm just sticking in a little water. Then I have a couple peppers still in here. That one, I don't know what it is. It might be an Anaheim. And then I have cilantro, always cilantro growing. There's some strawberry spinach. You see that little sprout? Ain't it cute? And I have, I think that was a radish. I ain't make it. There's the strawberry that I planted from seed from outside. I think those are Albion strawberries. It's still growing. And then some kind of a pepper. Not sure what kind though. And then down in the front, that pepper, that's a jalapeno pepper. So that's this section over here. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.